In this video, we'll walk you through the Atom Global ecosystem, what projects it includes, what each one does, and how they're all connected. Atom Global brings together projects from very different fields: music, sports, architecture, animation, robotics, and medicine. Each project has its own set of products, and nearly everyone is powered by its own token. What ties them all together is Atom Quantum, a quantum-resistant blockchain, a blockchain built to withstand the threats of tomorrow coming from quantum computers. Let's break it down, one project at a time. We'll start with music. Jiggle is a social network that combines the best of several apps in one place. Familiar social features like profiles, feeds, stories, and reactions, plus a messenger and a music player. But Jiggle was built around one key idea. At its core sits a powerful AI assistant. Think of it as your personal producer. It helps you come up with content ideas, write text, create music, generate images and video, and enhance your photos. What problem does this solve? Today, every social network lets you share content, but to actually create it, you need a whole toolkit: design software, video editors, copywriting skills. In Jiggle, all of that lives inside the app. The AI assistant guides you every step of the way. You create and publish, all within a single application. This solves a real problem: self-expression. Many people want to put themselves out there, but the barrier is too high. Self-doubt, fear of low quality, lack of equipment. That's why % of social media users only consume content and just % create it. Jiggle brings that barrier down to nearly zero. What role does the Jiggle token play? Users pay with the token for subscriptions and credits needed to create content with the AI assistant. Every month, a certain number of generations are available for free. Why a token specifically? It allows the platform to bypass App Store commissions. App Store and Google Play take roughly % of every payment. There's also a built-in burn mechanism. Every token the platform receives for subscriptions and credits is permanently removed from circulation. This means that as the app grows in popularity, demand for the token increases while its supply shrinks. This model creates conditions where the token's value may grow alongside the product itself. Jiggle isn't just a social network, though. Thousands of people create music here every day, and that's exactly what connects Jiggle to the next project in the ecosystem, the music label Imba. Imba is a real music label, like Sony Music or Universal, but it works differently, fairer for the artist and open to everyday people. How does a traditional label work? It finds an artist, signs a contract, takes up to % of revenue and all rights to the music. The artist gets pennies. How does Imba work? An artist signs a digital contract in 5 minutes. They keep % of the rights to their music. Imba handles the heavy lifting: recording, promotion, distribution across Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, and other platforms. The label provides the tools and resources for growth. Imba's partner is Don Perry, former president of Caper Records, a division of RCA/BMG, a Grammy Academy board member, and the man behind world tours for Elton John, Fleetwood Mac, and the Eagles. What role does the Imba token play? The Imba platform offers 2 types of digital cards. Artist card. You acquire a card tied to a specific artist for a fixed period, say 1 year. The card's value is linked to real metrics: streams on music platforms, views on social media, and the artist's overall stats, all displayed right on the card. The more popular the artist becomes during that time, the higher the card's value. When the period ends, you can sell the card for Imba tokens, and then sell those tokens on an exchange. Track card. Same principle, but instead of backing an artist as a whole, you pick a specific song. If the track gains traction, the card's value rises. The number of cards is limited. They can't be issued infinitely. All buying and selling of cards happens in Imba tokens. How Jiggle and Imba are connected. Jiggle is a social network where people create music. Thousands of users make tracks every day. For Imba, this is a massive pool of data. It's clear who's creating, which tracks are gaining momentum, whose audience is growing. From this data, Imba identifies promising artists and signs them to the label. In return, every Imba artist is contractually required to actively maintain their page on Jiggle. It becomes their primary social network, where they bring their entire audience. The result is a closed loop. Jiggle feeds Imber new artists, and Imber brings Jiggle audience. Now let's move from music to sports. Blockchain Sports Arena is a platform that connects three sides: sports clubs, their fans, and brands. Each side gets what it needs. The platform already covers football, basketball, American football, and drift racing. And Arena is built to scale to any number of sports. How does it work? A club joins Arena. One of the conditions for being on the platform is joint marketing. The club announces its presence on social media and calls on fans to support it on Arena. That's how fans follow their club onto the platform. Once there, fans complete tasks to push their club up the overall leaderboard and climb the personal rankings themselves. What kind of tasks? Brands post offers on the platform. For example, a brand uploads a video and sets a goal: 1 million views. Fans take that video and share it on their own social media. Arena's system tracks every view. For each verified view, the fan receives Arena points, which can later be exchanged for the Atla token. Why does this work for all three sides? Clubs join because they need funding. Brands come because they want real reach from real people, not inflated numbers. Fans get recognition, a way to prove their loyalty, push their club ahead in the rankings, and receive rewards for their activity. The scale. There are over 3 billion sports fans worldwide. Arena aims to become the platform that turns that energy into a real economy. What role does the Atla token play? Atla is the economic backbone of Arena. All fan rewards, all transactions between clubs and brands, everything runs through this token. The more clubs, fans, and brands join the platform, the more activity flows through Atla. From sports, let's move to cinema. Arteki is a company that operates in three directions. First, its own studio. Arteki produces feature-length animated films, but it does so many times faster and cheaper than traditional studios. How? Arteki uses virtual production, 3D animation, Unreal Engine, motion capture, and artificial intelligence. The core problem with neural networks in animation is the lack of precise control. Say a director wants a character to walk up to a table, pick up a cup with their left hand, and turn to the camera at exactly the 3-second mark. A standard neural network might produce something close, but the character grabs the cup with the wrong hand, turns at the wrong moment, or adds movements the director never asked for. For a commercial product, that's unacceptable. You need exactly what was intended, frame by frame. Arteki solved this problem. Their technology gives the director full control. The character does precisely what's needed, at precisely the right moment. Back in December, Arteki became the first studio in the world to release an AI-assisted feature-length animated film in cinemas across an entire country. The film Bela Veja Forest was produced in 3 months, screened nationwide in Belarus, and on its opening weekend outperformed every other animated film showing in the country at the time. Since then, the studio's technology has advanced significantly. You can participate in Arteki's films through TPC Pack, a digital certificate that confirms your involvement in a specific animated film. TPC Pack holders receive payouts, the size of which is determined by the film's monetization performance. Second, a platform for everyday people. Arteki is building an online platform where anyone, without special skills or equipment, can create short animated videos and cartoons. The platform guides users step by step. Choose characters, set the scene, build sequences, and get a finished animated video as output. What role does the Teki token play? This is the token used on that platform. It pays for generations, creating characters, scenes, and final videos. Just like in Jiggle, there's a burn mechanism. A portion of tokens received by the platform is removed from circulation. This means that as the platform grows in popularity, demand for the token increases while its supply shrinks. This model creates conditions where the token's value may grow alongside the product itself. Third, professional software for major studios. Arteki is also developing a version of its technology for large animation companies, those already working with motion capture and professional tools who want controlled results when using neural networks. This software allows them to dramatically accelerate film production and significantly reduce costs. So, we have Jiggle, Imba, Arena, Arteki. Each project has its own token. What unites them all is Atom Quantum and its coin, ATQM. What is Atom Quantum? It's a new blockchain that all ecosystem tokens will eventually migrate to. Its fundamental difference from every existing blockchain, it is protected against quantum computers from day one. Not a patch on top of something old, it's built into the foundation. Today, all digital systems, banks, cryptocurrencies, messengers, rely on encryption. All of that protection rests on a single principle. It would take a conventional computer thousands of years to crack the key. Quantum computers will be able to do it in hours. This is already being acknowledged by Google, Apple, and the US government. Atom Quantum is the blockchain built from the ground up on quantum-resistant encryption. What's more, bad actors are already intercepting encrypted data and storing it, planning to decrypt it once quantum computers become powerful enough. What's encrypted today may be readable tomorrow. What role does the ATQM token play? A TQM is the native coin of the blockchain. Every operation within the network runs through it: transfers, fees, validator activity. When Jiggle, Imba, Atla, Teki, and other tokens migrate to Atom Quantum, they will all operate inside this secure network, and ATQM will power every interaction between them. Atom Quantum also has a built-in trading platform. Ecosystem tokens can be exchanged directly within the network without third-party exchanges. All the projects in the ecosystem are connected. They reinforce each other, and Atom Quantum provides the secure foundation on which they will all run. This is not financial advice. Digital assets carry risk, and the decision is always yours. But now you know how the ecosystem works. If you'd like to learn more, visit boostify.com and atomgroup.io.